Ready? With your Christmas bags. Go find each other a gift the color yellow. Go find Kendra a gift the color yellow, Mason. Got it? Alright. Put it in your bag and come sit down. Sit down.
I still have more left.
No, just sit down, Kendra.
I have one more left.
Alright, sit down. Now, Kendra, give Mason your gift. Kendra, oh, he's getting one more for you. Okay, Mason, come on. He's spoiling you. Alright, come here, Mason. Sit down. One more. That's it. Put it in there. Alright, come sit down. Come on. Come sit down. Oh, there's 3. Alright, Kendra, give Mason your gift. You know what to say.
Merry Christmas. I hope you like it. I like it.
There you go, Kendra. Take it. Now open your gifts.
A book. A book.
What is it?
A book.
And what do you say?
Thank you.
And what do you like about it?
I like this one blue, and I like this one green, blue, and yellow, and pink.
Yeah, Mason. Mason, do you like your gift?
Yeah.
Yeah, where's the yellow? Show me yellow.
Is it almost time yet? Did we go find more colors?
It is. Mason, what do you like about your gift?
That one.
What do you like?
That one.
You like that one?
No.
How many did you have? You count?
1, 2, 4.
1, 2, 4, huh? How about 1, 2, 3?
And I got a 3 thing too.
You did.